Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in CUBOT X70. So if you don't see your WhatsApp messages, always start from the simplest way, so expand the icons and check that you have the net display mode deactivated. Now I have it activated, so if you see something like that, just tap on it and switch it off to the off position. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. Let's start from the notifications, make sure that you have the switcher activated, and after that open the additional settings. Now check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. Then go back and open the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Now turn on the unrestricted data usage. In the next step, make the backup of your messages, go to the storage and cache and choose clear storage. Now tap on the delete. After that you have to log in again to the WhatsApp and check your messages again. In the next step, let's open. If you still don't have your alerts, open the settings and choose the system. Now select the reset options and choose Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on the reset settings button, configure your pattern and tap on this button again. In the next step, let's try to update the system, so open the system, select the system update and click on this button. If you have an update, install it and check your WhatsApp again. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.